Alright, so welcome again my friends on this Microsoft Excel tutorial, and we're currently here on our last part of our previous video. But for this video, we will be talking all about how we can hide and unhide worksheets. So by the way, as you can see here, we are currently working on a sheet 1. If we wanted to have another sheet or another series of data, we can have a sheet number 2 here. Just click this plus button. This is actually designating a new sheet. So let's have here sheet 2. So let's have some sort of data here. Okay, so for example, this is our contents for sheet 2. For sheet 3, for example, let's have here our content. So let's type anything. Okay. Again, the topic is hiding and unhiding sheets. For example, you have here some data like username. Okay, for username and password, which is actually a confidential data. So hiding and unhiding sheets is used for protecting our confidential informations. For example, we have here username, the engineer trader. This is the username, and the password, for example, is trader12345, for example, something like that. If we wanted that the sheets containing this information, which is in our case that is actually sheet 3, we can actually hide that sheet. For example, if we are going to make a copy of this Excel file and pass it to our friend, they will not see it if it is hidden. So how to hide it? Let's have here sheet 3 and right click, then just click the term hide, and it will now be hidden. But the data is still stored in this Microsoft Excel file. I hope you get it. Now we have here the sheet 2. Let's try to hide this again. So right click, then hide. Okay, so I hope you get it. Now that is simply how we can hide our worksheets. For us to be able to unhide those worksheets, just click any existing available worksheets. In our case, the only existing right now is the sheet 1. So let's try to right click and click the unhide. After unhide, since we have several sheets that is already hidden, that is the sheet 2 and the sheet 3, and we will now on the decision-making phase on what sheet should we unhide. So for example, we wanted to see the credentials, the username, and the password. So let's choose sheet 3 and click OK. And it will now show you the sheets. The sheet 3 is now again active. Alright, so I hope you get it. That is how simple hiding and unhiding of the Excel worksheets is working on. So I hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video for more related contents. And keep safe always. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.